Welcome to the video from thedigital-lifestyle.com. Quick look at this new build of Windows 11 23531 for Windows Insiders on the dev channel. Not a huge amount this one, but there's a couple of things I wanted to show you. A reminder that the expiration date of the build has now been changed to next year, September next year. So make sure you're on these builds, these new builds, so that your builds don't expire. Right, the changes to this one. If you open any system links and you're in the EU area, then they'll use the default browser. So if you're not, it'll always use Edge. Okay, so what's changed in this build? So in this, you've now got the return of this feature where you can choose your search layout. And that was a feature that was in a while ago, and they've reintroduced that. So you can have your whatever experience you want. The rest of the changes are just fixes. So the rest of the changes are just fixes. They fixed an issue with Explorer EXE crashing, or the Explorer when you're down in File Explorer, crashing when you were in safe mode. They fixed the issue which would cause Explorer to crash when you're closing it down. And they fixed some issues with Explorer crashing when you open the gallery with a lot of images as well, and some copy and paste images as well. There's some fixes for HDR backgrounds and some task manager fixes as well, including a fix for when you search for something it wouldn't remove the filter. There's a couple of known issues with this build. There is some apps under the start menu may be incorrectly labeled. So if you've got PWA apps, so when you go to all apps, some of the PWA apps may be labeled incorrectly. They fixed some tooltips. So there's still an issue with the tooltips. There's an issue with some tooltips when moving the mouse over search boxes, and Copilot may not switch back in. But those are the main changes. So not a huge amount, but those are the main changes with this dev build 23531 for Windows Insider on the dev channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.